In today's video, let's talk about the Chinese herbal formula, Suan Zao Ren Tang. Let's dive in. This is a pretty popular and more common formula, and in traditional Chinese medicine, this one is said to nourish the blood, calm the spirit, clear irritability, and also clear heat. Now, what does that actually mean practically for the rest of us? Well, this one really helps with irritability or anxiety. It can help with insomnia, so difficulties falling asleep, staying asleep, and it can also be very useful in some perimenopausal or postmenopausal symptoms like night sweats and hot flashes as well. Does it have some other uses? Yes, but these are the most common uses that I find myself using clinically. Now, we know the main herb here, Suan Zao Ren, does have a bit of research behind it with the mechanism for insomnia. And what we are finding in the research is that it is helping to modulate our neurotransmitters, especially things like serotonin, dopamine, and even GABA. And it can have that kind of hypnotic-like or sedative-like effect that a lot of herbs that work on the GABA pathways do. And then when you add in the other herbs in formula, like with a lot of other Chinese herbal formulas, there's a synergy that happens and we get multiple different mechanisms of action here. So not only are we getting that modulation of neurotransmitters, we also can see some effects on different hormone receptors, especially those like estrogen and progesterone. Now, because of this mechanism or these mechanisms of action, this is not the type of formula to use one time for an acute problem. We see the most effectiveness in some of the studies here that you need to be using this for a number of weeks before you really see true results or see your best results, I would say. So this is not one that I give out one time or say use it on nights where you have difficulty sleeping. No, this is more of a formula that you're on for a number of weeks to months, and that it takes a little bit of time for it to kick in and for you to truly see results. So don't go comparing this to like a medication type sleep aid, because that is not how it works. So again, my most usage for this one is going to be for insomnia, even for anxiety or irritability. I often will use it in perimenopause and menopause to help with hot sweats, hot flashes, night sweats, as well as irritability or mood swings that can come along with that, and really insomnia that can develop out of that as well. Like many other Chinese herbal formulas, this is going to be available in different forms. You have your powdered form, which you can drink as a tea. You have your raw herb decoctions. You even have tincture or capsules for this one as well. So your dosage and how you use it, or how much to take and when to take it, is going to depend on the formula you're taking. So make sure that you're talking with your herbalist or your Chinese medicine practitioner so that you can get dosages correct and titrate it for you specifically. All right, I hope that this was helpful and that you've learned something. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Bye.